Space exploration has always fascinated us, and with the advancement of technology, we are sending more and more spacecraft into the vastness of space. However, as the number of satellites and other debris orbiting the Earth increases, the risk of collisions with space junk also rises. In this video, we will delve into the ingenious ways spacecraft avoid space junk to ensure safe and successful missions. Let's blast off on this cosmic journey and explore the techniques used by these space machines to dodge potential hazards. Understanding the threat, space junk. Before we explore the avoidance strategies, it's essential to grasp the nature of space junk. Space junk, also known as space debris, comprises defunct satellites, spent rocket stages, and fragments from past collisions. These objects hurtle through space at staggering speeds, posing a significant threat to functioning spacecraft. The peril of high-speed collisions. The idea of a collision at tens of thousands of kilometers per hour may seem like science fiction, but in reality, it's a pressing concern for space missions. Even small debris can cause catastrophic damage due to their incredible velocities. So, how do spacecraft stay safe in such a perilous environment? Orbital monitoring systems, the watchful guardians. One of the first lines of defense against space junk is a comprehensive orbital monitoring system. Think of it as a planetary air traffic control, but for objects in space. Tracking space debris, orbital monitoring systems track and catalogue space debris, creating a celestial map of potential hazards. These systems employ ground-based radars and telescopes to precisely monitor objects' trajectories. Early warning alerts. With the help of advanced algorithms, these systems can predict potential collisions. This early warning system allows mission control to adjust a spacecraft's trajectory if a threat is detected. Defensive maneuvers, swift and calculated. When an impending collision is detected, spacecraft must react swiftly to avoid disaster. The techniques employed are akin to evasive maneuvers in action movies, but with a touch of cosmic finesse. Thruster firings. Many spacecraft are equipped with thrusters that enable them to change their course quickly. When a potential collision is identified, these thrusters fire, shifting the spacecraft into a new trajectory. Gravity assists. In some cases, spacecraft can utilize the gravity of nearby celestial bodies to change their path. By performing a gravity assist maneuver, a spacecraft can gain speed or alter its trajectory without expending much fuel. Passive debris avoidance. Sometimes, the best defense is not to engage in a high-octane chase. Instead, spacecraft can be designed with specific shielding or protective measures to withstand impacts from small debris. Communication and cooperation. Collaborative avoidance. Space is vast, but the community of spacecraft and satellites up there is tightly interconnected. Cooperation and communication are vital to avoid collisions. International space traffic management. Various space agencies and organizations work together to manage the traffic in space. They share information about the positions and trajectories of spacecraft to minimize potential conflicts. Collision avoidance maneuvers. In instances where two spacecraft are on a collision course, ground control can instruct both crafts to adjust their orbits, ensuring a safe passage. Cleaning up, mitigating space debris. Preventing new space debris is essential, but so is cleaning up the existing mess. There are visionary projects aimed at tidying up the cosmic backyard. Space debris removal missions. Several missions are being planned to actively remove space debris. These missions could involve robotic arms, nets, or even giant space vacuums. Deorbiting non-functioning satellites. Spacecraft operators are encouraged to deorbit satellites that have reached the end of their mission life. This ensures that they enter the Earth's atmosphere and burn up, reducing the amount of space junk. the future sustainable space exploration. As our interest in space continues to grow, so does our responsibility to ensure sustainable space exploration. Better design and materials. Future spacecraft are being designed with debris mitigation in mind. Using materials that are less likely to produce fragments upon impact can help reduce the creation of new space debris. Embracing new technologies. Advancements in laser technology and electromagnetic fields could potentially be used to nudge space debris into safer orbits or slow them down, facilitating their natural re-entry into the Earth's atmosphere. Conclusion? Spacecraft are pioneers in the cosmic frontier, and avoiding space junk is an integral part of their mission. Through orbital monitoring, defensive maneuvers, cooperation, and proactive space debris removal, these machines navigate the challenges of space with remarkable precision and ingenuity. As we continue to explore the final frontier, let's remember that responsible space exploration is the key to preserving this extraordinary opportunity for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this epic adventure and exploring how do spacecrafts avoid space junk. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating journeys into the wonders of the universe. Until next time, keep exploring.